Save big money at Menards.
Here be the old 4.0, the burnout machine.
Again. This is kind of hard.
Look at her go. You just gotta get a groove going.
It's kind of hard because this thing like doesn't really
it's
work.
A pipe wrench. Nonetheless, the old 4.0
Fucking WKG over here.
in
bro.
her demise.
You can actually see the pistons like going in and out. That's friggin' mint.
Now we flash back to all the good times in the 4.0. Do a burnout. Oh, there's spark! There's spark! Bro. What the fuck, bro? What the hell? Oh, he's sending. Oh, the other side's going now. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. There's so much smoke. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh my god. Holy shit. Is it overheating yet? I think that's supposed to be connected, but I'm not really sure. Tom, you wanna?
Drive shaft.
Yeah. Oh, there's just the oil. Oh no, oil. Oh no.
Oh yeah. Transfer case off. Tranny out. Ow.
Go. Okay. Oh god. Yeah.
That's a really dope angle.
Just up top.
God damn it, Tom.
Nuts. Alright, so it's off.
Yeah, we got
Alright,
the
so it was in the car like this.
Yeah.
And these, oh no, we did go like this. Okay, so these all had to hook on each one of these gaps.
Oh.
Like that.
Okay.
And I guess that's where we ended up doing. I think why it was only hooking on one versus the other would be like one was like on the outer edge, so
And then
this
one
couldn't
would- yeah,
reach.
okay.
Or it'd be loose.
You had to turn it a little bit.
It'd be loose because it'd be on top. And I
Anybody
think
with
it
a
was in the
Grand
right
Cherokee,
place, but it's
this is the tool you need, and you need the long rod. It's 667 damper puller from OTC.
not. All right, go change your seal. Let's get this done.
Okay, seal time, baby.
It's out.
There she is. Fucking mangled the shit out of her trying to get her out, but she's out now. Time to clean it up. Pound the other one back in, and
Hopefully we can test drive it tonight.
we have to go get the 21 from your house first.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Old start, cold start. All right. Nice puff of blue. Dude. Live. It's mint. When does the belt turn? Oh, that's weird. Dude, that belt's running nice too. It's not wobbling. All right. Roll 4 sevens back, baby. She's out here moving under her own power. Wow. All the accessories, power steering, anything belt related. Now we just gotta
Got a little power steering line, but she did that before.
It's a supercharger.
Yeah. So I remember like 20 minutes ago when Tom was here. Well, we took my Jeep out for a drive and brakes are sticking. Not doing too hot. Yeah. It's been sitting here for a few minutes too, and she's still smoking. See how hot it got. Fucking heat rings all around. And here's the new side. She's looking mad. All right, after many struggles of the Jeep, she's ready to go. Brakes are bled. Tires are on. Minty. Blizzard out there. Discharged.
We're gonna change oil in this bee today.
Hey,
And hey, look, it's still got pressure, so we're good.
sending it.
Hi.
Sending it, baby. Oh, God.
We go 9.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, prism. Oh, prism. Oh, God. And
This is where we park.
throw it in park. Yeah, it's time to go. Alright, got the oil. Bitch. Hey, everybody call that guy's license plate in and tell me he's recklessly driving.
Hey, VPN.
518 VPN.
Expose him.
Expose him.
All right, that goes down in history as one of the shittiest oil changes I've ever had to do.
That's like 20 horsepower.
Yo, here at O'Reilly. This is a boy, Eric. Got the engine over here.
I still need to do some sanding on the letters because you can still see there's a little bit of black paint on them.
Yeah. How'd you get like all the crevices and stuff?
Good. Secret.
Got it. Just Tom wants to know from when he does the pink.
I just did.
Dude, yeah, should I do the block in pink?
No.
Would that be awful?
I think that'd be sick.
I think it'd be kind of
That'd
sick.
be,
That'd be kinda
disgrace.
sick.
That'd be
It's
awful.
not a disgrace.
It'd be kind of dope.
Breast cancer awareness, you fuck.
Okay.
Can literally see nothing but the taillights of his Jeep, and not even that. Whoa! Oh, he's going deeper. Holy shit.
Go for it. Give him a yank.
Ooh.
Ready?
Woo!
You good?
Woohoo! Oh god! Oh god!
Lumpy boy. Look at them socks, bro. B. Oh yeah. Snow's flying everywhere, dude. Getting all-wheel drive, baby. Look at the roads. It's like 2 feet high. Oh, it's super stuck. Damn, bro. Rip. Ah. We'll see. I'm like the only one out here. It's like 9 o'clock. Shit's crazy, man. Here, we'll throw in a clip right now of what it was like last year. Like this day last year.
What a beautiful spring day.
This is the tail light of this car, and Tom is gonna attempt to move it right now because this is work.
Is this a 4-wheel drive or like a front wheel?
Oh, if it's front, we'll know real quick.
Oh wait, 4-wheel lock.
Yeah, pull that up and then just mat it. We might have to move that truck. I guess just put it in reverse and floor it, see what happens. Okay, forwards. Oh, he's getting it. Oh, go! If you got this. One more little tug. Yeah, that's the snow we're dealing with here in Minnesota. Go. Hell yeah. Dude, that Patriot got right out of there. We're working hard, hardly working.
Got him.
Parking over there now.
Look at the wall right there.
That's okay. I'll give you a reference for that. I'm about 6 feet, and that's to my waist. We're
The Trinity Automotive.
oh yeah.
Sending the All right. The trucks really don't have an issue. It's just the little Jeep Patriots. All right. Let's talk to them. We out here in sandstone. Trying to call Casey.
What up,
Casey, what up? Hey.
Damn, they're
Hey,
in
wait, let's go to
Autotech.
Autotech. We can join the class.
Yeah. Tell them alone, we're just trying to learn.
There's Jackson. Where's Nick? What up,
Oh,
no. Squad.
You think you'll...
How's it going out there, buddy?
Hi.
Oh no!
Sorry, I don't enjoy being dirty.
How you feel about the wilderness?
I think it's fucking
Trench foot boy over here can't handle a little wilderness. We out here stashing up on liquors to make it feel like home.
Hey. Dude, your face is so red.
Oh, my back!